In today's tutorial we will have a look at a simple stoichiometric calculation. The question is 84 grams of cyclohexane will be completely combusted to what? Oh, okay. Let's start with the structure of cyclohexane. The molecular formula is C6H12. Well, completely combusted means it will give CO2 and water with molecular oxygen as the oxidizing reaction partner. Well, 6 carbons will give 6 molecules of CO2. The 12 hydrogen atoms will give 6 molecules of H2O. We have then on this side of the reaction equation 12 plus 6 makes 18 oxygen. Therefore, we are in need of 9 oxygen molecules, also 18 oxygen atoms. Please remember, in a reaction equation on the left-hand side has to be the same number of each element atoms as on the right-hand side. So, we said we start with 84 grams of cyclohexane. Now we calculate the molecular mass of cyclohexane. The atomic, it's the sum of the atomic masses. Well, 6 carbon atoms, 12 gram per mole each, means 6, well, multiplied with 12 means 72 plus 12 hydrogens. Each has the molecular mass of 1, means 84 grams per mole is the molecular mass. Okay, well, here in this case it makes it simple. 84 grams is then 1 mole of cyclohexane. So, molecular mass of oxygen is 30, molecular oxygen is 32 grams per mole. 9 moles we need makes 288 grams, and this will give 6 moles of CO2. 1 mole has 44 grams, 6 moles makes 264 grams. And here, water, 1 mole of water has a molecular mass of 18 grams per mole. 6 moles then makes 108 grams per mole. So, at the end, now we know 1 mole of cyclohexane, 84 grams, needs 288 grams of molecular oxygen to give 264 grams of CO2 and 108 grams of water. That's it. Thanks for listening.